Beauty of nature is versatile. This is so fresh. It has a lot of fruits that's I don't remember that much, but it's something very special. Color is beautiful, and it's on the bank of the pond. That's for Shishari, my friend Hafiz, my best friend. We're moving. It's just for fun and taking exercises. So you can, in the afternoon, visit nature, natural places, and you can enjoy. And this is very good for your health. So this is, you see, banana forest is on the bank of the pond. It's kind of 3 acre land, right? A pond covering 3 acres of land, and all these banana trees are actually grown in abundance, and they give such a big amount of money. Even the man said that one uh, uh, costs even 1000 taka. That's huge amount of money. So do you like this scenery? What else do you like? Do you like Cox's Bazar the most? It's not always Cox's Bazar that you should prefer. Rabindranath says the beauty of a dew on a paddy is even more important than many other places. We always try to find out pretty things in foreign land and all these, and that's how we really try to show that I've been in those countries, that country, so many things. We boastful, we always are boastful. The nature that has a special beauty, we never actually care. The thing is that we always prefer foreign land, foreign culture, machinery, aeroplane, all these things that we think are very important. So something that is far away from you is what you like the most. But it should have been opposite. You should love what you have. What you have beside you. The dog. This is actually a home dog. Sometimes he comes to my house and has some food. I don't pay it a dog. I usually feed some dogs, entertain some dogs. So this man is in charge of this pond, and Happy is my friend. He's discussing, trying to find out the benefits of what kind of ways you can. Uh, I mean, yeah, fishery is something important. You have to have, you have to understand a lot of things so that you can make money. That's it for now. Thanks for